Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 69 Copo Camaro and this is by Hot Wheels from the Silver series, and more specifically this is the Pantone series. I don't know, I missed that out in the past 4 videos to say. Okay, so I bought it for $299, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this. So I think we unboxed Copo Camaro once, if I'm not wrong, which I bought it in Muscat, if my memory serves right. So honestly, nowadays I don't like buying duplicates even for the sake of collection because I'm spending so much nowadays. So, but this one, just because of the set, I actually bought it, and it looked really nice in this color. Here is the card art. The card art looks really beautiful. Let me throw the throw that aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. The casting looks really beautiful, and it does have some paint issues here. You can see the paint bubbling here, the roof. Okay, so it has headlight detailing here. It does have grill detailing to it. Let me see. Yeah, okay, this is embossed and it is metal, so they painted on top of it. That looks really nice. And it has tail light detailing as well. You can see the Camaro lettering here and here as well. That looks really good. It has the turn indicator here. The hood detail looks really nice. So it has interior to it, and this one looks really good. Okay, the rims does look really nice, and it actually matches this casting good. So I know I did say the same thing about all other castings, but again they did really well on this particular series, so I'm happy about it. So the exhaust details are here, and the chassis doesn't have much detailing to it, but it has this logo, which means it will and it can perform well on tracks. Let's see about that in a minute. Okay, the body is fully metal, the chassis is fully plastic. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. 37 grams, not bad. So I'm hoping this would roll really well. Let's see. Yeah, it does. Okay, third time's the charm. One more time. Yeah, it does roll really well, so I don't have any issue with it. So it does have a little bit of wheel wobbling on the rear wheel, but still it's negligible. It rolls fast, it rolls really well, so I'm happy about it. The casting is really nice. I'm really happy about this particular casting. Okay, so let's rate this casting. Without any doubt, I would give a 10 out of 10 for this. Nothing is missing here. So again, the paint bubbling is specific to mine, might not be on yours, so don't worry about it. So a solid 10 out of 10 from my end. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.